Hey everyone, Taylor with KC here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our 2-light wiring harness. Now I know this is a very scary and intimidating process, but there's actually nothing to be afraid of. It's a very quick and very easy process, as a matter of fact. Now this is actually our most user requested video, so I'm very excited to get this process underway. So let's go have a look at how we install the wiring harness. To make the wiring install even easier, you'll first want to unravel the wiring harness and then lay it out nicely so that you can see what you're working with. You'll have a set of 3 wires that go inside the cab for your switch, and then you'll have 2 more wires with ring terminals on them that get connected to the battery, and then finally you'll have the ones that the lights actually get plugged into. Once everything is laid out nice and neat, then you'll go ahead and start by connecting the proper wires to the correct battery terminals. Now, as you can see here in the video, it's just out of habit that I like to remove the fuse from the wiring harness until the very end of the process once everything is completely installed and connected. Then you can run the wiring harness to wherever you plan to mount your 2 lights. I like to follow other factory wires in the engine bay just to make sure that my wires are ran in a safe spot underneath there. Next, you'll run your 3 wires into the cab so that you can use the provided switch to turn your lights on and off. When you have your switch mounted, you can plug the fuse back in and then organize and zip tie all of the wiring for a clean, professional install. And there you have it. You have completely installed our 2-light wiring harness that can support 2 55-watt each lights. You can check out the link in the description below for more details on this product. Thanks for watching, and remember to adventure further.